show you one robot I created recently. It's a grid system, and I call it Grid Explorer, because the purpose of this robot is to explore the opportunities and the possibilities and the risk, of course, of the grid trading systems. And this will be a series of experiments with different trading systems. Now I created the first one. It's called Hedging, and I'll show the rules in a moment. There are also other available, and after that I'll explore the other ones. Also, I think to create application for easier and faster testing of different grid systems, and to be easier to optimize the systems and to see the risks. But now, this time I decided to create the robot first, to test it, to see which options are necessary, and then to create the software. So I'll show you what I have now. You see the back test now with some settings. I think this is in Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. But there are other options, and there are other markets, and some markets are doing well, some markets are not doing very well. We'll explore that. Okay, so I will show you what is going on. So I'll start from the beginning. The robot has many options. Let's show chart window. Okay, let's use this one. And the robot is called Grid Explorer. Actually, the full name of the robot is Grid Explorer Hedging, because it explores the hedging algorithm. Now, I'll make a brief overview of the options, and then we will make an overview of the robot, how it works. So we have the magic number, which is important for the statistics. And also with the different magic numbers, we can separate different robots if you want to trade several robots in the same chart. This is the grid size. I will show you the grid in a moment. And basically, the grids are horizontal lines, horizontal levels, normally on some round prices. And we trade only on these levels. And the grid size is the distance between the levels. I decided to be in pips. It can be in points also, but this time I decided to be pips. The second option is the entry lot size. Now I have an entry lot, a maximum entry lot, and Martingale coefficient, because this robot also explores the benefits of Martingale. Martingale is risky, and we have to be very careful. So by default, the robot starts with 0.01 watt, which is the minimum one. The maximum is also set to 0.01, and the Martingale coefficient is also set to 1, which means there is no adding. We also have some entry limitations: maximum spread, maximum open positions, and maximum open lots. Maximum spread is, it depends on the market. When the spread is high, we prevent entries, but the robot can exit on the high spread. We don't prevent the exits. This maximum open positions and maximum open lots, it limits how many times the grid system can add to a position. And why we have open positions and open lots? Because if you use Martingale, the open lots are higher than the positions, because each next entry has a higher entry size. We also have news filters. And we have some additional options which I found interesting. And this is exactly the purpose of this robot, to explore the effect of the different variants. So I'll adjust the options to have the basic system I want to explore, and then I will show you what the options are doing. Orders. Show grid levels, okay. Show position stats, true. Shows true. But this is only because I try to attach the robot on the chart, and this is how this is looking on. Now it's Saturday, and the market is closed, and I use the back tester in the tick mode to explore the different variants. So I'll remove this. Now I have the grid explorer, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar here. And when you choose the robot in MetaTrader, I use MetaTrader 5 and the hedging account. This is important. You see, this is demo account, but the meta you see here hedge. Normally it's marked because when you have hedging account, we can open additional positions even in opposite direction, and this is very important for that robot. Other kind of account is netting account, which is very suitable for my other software, for Strategy Builder, because in netting account, we add what's the current position, and also we can partially close. The netting account doesn't open another position. We already have one position per symbol, but in this time, we use a hedging account. When you attach the robot, when you have the robot in the tester, you have input tabs from where we can adjust the options for the backtest. And this is a note for you. Even if you change some parameters in the source code, and when you come in the tester, the MetaTrader tester remembers the last option you have used. So it is sometimes confusing. So it's always advisable to go to inputs and to check what you have in the inputs. So it looks like I have tested before some martingales. I will switch off this for a moment. If you have any questions, you can ask it any time.
Yeah.
Okay. The option max spread, the protection spread, max open position, max open lots are off when it's 0. When you have some numbers, this becomes active. News is disabled. I will not use take profit for a moment. I will show you this. What is this data? Show grid, show position stats, and show stats in the tester. Okay. Normally this shows stats in the tester is off, but I will have it on in order to see what is going on with the robot on the tester. Usually, when you simply backtest, this must be off because it makes the tester faster. I added this option in the last moment. Okay, let's do it. I choose the last year. Now is 16 March, and let's start for 1 year. We use every tick. It is important because this robot tests within the bar, and also we need precise entries.
Yeah.
Okay. The period is not so important. We can test on any period because we're trading on tick, and the bars actually does not matter. I use it's either M15, M5, or M15 are suitable. For the overview, M15 is okay because we can see the grids on the chart. And for deposit, yeah, we speak about that. I will start from $3,000. Okay, let's start. Now we use visual mode. Visual mode will show additional screen with the backtest and with the orders. When you do backtest in order to see the graph, the result, you don't need visual mode, but I will have it now. So I started the robot.
Okay.
Here is the speed of the backtest. Now, okay, let's pause for a moment. When you start the robot on a chart, what I have, can I see the inputs? I have grid size of 50 pips.
Yeah.
This market is Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and the price is quoted with 5 digits. So the pips is only the 4th digit. It's not the 5th one. Here in the markets that are quoted in 3 digits, 3 digits are US dollars, Japan yen. Okay, and this one that are with 5, they have difference between the pips and the points. The points is the last one. The pip is the 4th one.
Yeah.
So when we start the robot for first time, it calculates the grid levels. I decided to not plot the levels with horizontal lines because it becomes cumbersome when we have more trades. And now when I start the backtest, you see the grid levels of the deals. because the material will show it, so you don't need to plot this. But anyway, the price at that time is 0.910085, and these are the grid levels calculated by the robot. 91, 91,500, and 90,500. So we have the current grid level is the one that is nearest to the price. 91 is somewhere here, just below the price, and we have 50 pips above here, somewhere here, and 50 pips below. We always have a current level. The current level is that is nearest to the price, but it's only the first time. Because the first time we don't know which level the market will touch, the lower one or the upper one. So let's continue and we see. I will increase the speed and the material will start up ahead. I increase the speed and we will see what will happen when the market is reached some level, is going up, and it already reached one level. I think here. Okay, what happened? The market reached the level 91,500, and here I'll pause the backtester, and the current level was changed to this one. So now this one, the level that is reached the last, became the current, and it also changed the upper and the lower levels. How this robot is trading? This is hedging robot, and probably is one that is this is the simplest one, but probably the riskiest one. And also it's a little bit stupid because we don't have a particular strategies for entering the positions. We simply trade every time when you reach the level, and we open both long and short positions. And why we are doing that? Because we don't know what is happening with the market. If the market goes up, the long position will make profit and the short will make loss. And if the markets go down, it's opposite. The short will start making profit and the long one will be losing. Yeah, it's stupid, right? And we pay twice the spread. But anyway, if the market starts swinging, we will close the winning positions only, one on the profit, and we never close the position on loss. So if the market is swinging, we correct the profits. The profits, the problem is that we correct the losing positions also, but we'll see. So here on this grid level, we open both long and short trade, and let's continue. Oops, pause. Let's continue. And the market sooner or later will reach some of the other levels. Another thing is that even if the market reaches the same level again, it doesn't trade again on this level because we already entered on this level. This is our current level. So it trades only once per level. Only once per the current level. Okay, let's continue. So even the market touches the same level again, we don't do anything, just waiting. Up, and the market touched the upper one. When it touched it, the robot changes the current level. So now this is the current level, this is the previous one. And because it is touch the upper one, it goes the upper, the long position here on profit. If I check the balance, you see we have $3, $3.5 on profit, but we didn't close the short position. So we only correct the profits, right? Very good. So, and okay, I show, but because we always touch the only close the profitable positions, our balance line is always going up, but our equity can go up or down. What also happens when the market touches a level, we go to profitable positions, but also we open again one long and one short position. Both long and short, no matter. So now what we have? We have two short positions, two sells and one buy, because we close one long, we open another long, and we have two shorts. So we have one from here, one from here. And if the market goes up, this short position will become continue losing. But if the market goes down, yeah, this entry will recover the loss of this one. So let's continue. Okay, let's make it faster.
Yep.
We started collecting trading. I will zoom out to see more levels. Okay, see, already we have, no, this is the lowest one. We already see the trades. We always trade on the grids. We all see the grid levels, and you see the positions. If the markets go down, we close the short positions. Do you see? And we close the short position of profit, but we don't close the long positions. Here we close long positions, or this entry possibly depends on the spread. It's not. Yeah. Okay. Here, when the markets go up, we close long positions, and when the markets go down, we close short positions. And in the balance line, we always have profits.
Yes.
Why I use MetaTrader 5 and not MetaTrader 4? The simplest reason is that MetaTrader 5 now tests on real spread. MetaTrader 4 cannot test on real spread. And for this system, the spread is very important.
Yep.
Because our grid size, the distance between the levels is always fixed. And actually what happens when you go from one level to other, we have a fixed amount of points or pips we make, and we will use the spread. So it is important our grid levels to be always higher than the spread. I can propose that it must be at least 3 times higher.
Okay.
3 or more. So let's see what is going on. Let's see the balance curve. This is also interesting. You see the balance curve is going up, only up. Here has some drawdowns, but going up because we close
the profits.
Only on the profit. And when it goes down when we have for the particular moment very high spread, which can be higher than the grid. And also, if you keep a position open for a long time, we also we are charged with swaps. And depending of the direction of the swap, this swap can add to our position, but most probably it will reduce the position size. So even if the position has a net profit of pips, it can have a net loss in money because of the lost swap. And another thing is we also have commission charged. And the MetaTrader tester doesn't apply the commission on the backtest. This is probably you don't know. So the commission also will reduce the balance. But here there are other two things: the equity curve, and this is the deposit load. What is equity curve? The equity is the balances are the cost positions. But actually, we have open positions that are on the loss at the moment. So we have currently open position. Now, current open positions are always on loss because we close the profitable. And if you see the chart and the information, we have 24 long positions and 12 short positions, and they are always losing. And the equity line here on the chart is the difference between the fixed profit, the fixed deals balance, and the open positions. And because our open positions are only losing, the equity ones is always below. If you have experience with other tradings, the equity can go up and down, but here the equity is always below the balance line. So when you look the back test, is attempting to towards the bounce, but this is not the true condition, the true situation. The
Hmm.
true situation is the equity curve. And
Yep.
what happens here, the backtest finished, it reached the current date, and
Hmm.
MetaTrader closed all currently open positions.
Yep.
If you see the other chart, all long and short position were closed on the end of the backtest. Usually when you trade these positions, you can be left open forever.
Hmm.
So the actual profit is the green line. And
Hmm.
what is deposit what? We open many positions simultaneously during the trade, and
Yep.
you can have 20 or 30 positions. And these open positions they require margin.
Yep.
If we have too much positions and the equities go down, we can go to margin call. It's called margin call. That when our equity, our available funds are not enough to cover
Yep.
the required margin. But in that case, it goes only even below 10%. So
Hmm.
what we can do, we can increase the entry. This entry for this account size $3,000
Hmm.
is well, we can increase the entry. I think 20-25% what is good enough risk.
Hmm.
Below 10%, yeah, it for long-term trading and for low risk is okay. But
Hmm.
let's see what will happen if we increase the entry lot.
Yep.
Okay, instead of increase the entry lot, I use this time Martingale. What is Martingale? Now we always without Martingale we always enter the same entry
Yep.
amount every time we trade. When you have a Martingale enabled, it scales the entry size. Usually it increases the entry size, so now losing positions. And how it increases, it has we have a Martingale coefficient, which multiplies the count of trades,
Mm.
the count of positions by this coefficient to receive the entry amount. And usually the coefficient is 2. So every next trade is with double amount, but it
Doubled.
is too
Yep.
risky. We
Mm.
can have a coefficient, usually we use a coefficient between 1 and 2. 1
Hmm.
means martingale is off, and 2 means we double the position size. I
Yep.
will use 1.5, 1.5. And I have to also remove the max entry lots limitation. I'll make it 0.1. So I
Hmm.
will allow, I'll start from 0.01 and it will increase up to 0.1, so 10 times. But this coefficient will slowly increase the entry amount.
Hmm.
Let's start this back test.
Yep.
Now let's go on full speed.
Okay.
Now we see that the entry amount is not, it's proportional, but it's not, let's say, equal to the position lots. So we have 13 positions, but 0. Now we have one open lot even. And
Mm.
if you see the history, we see the entries here are 0.01, then becomes 0.02, 0.03, and so on, up to, I don't know, but the maximum is 0.01. Okay, so here we have the maximum entry size.
Yep.
Yeah, this becomes both very risky and if you have
True.
the good market conditions, it can be good, very profitable.
Yeah. Well, okay. I mean, it's pretty good actually. Like there are some systems like this. Uh, but yeah, no, I think. Uh, I think it's good. I think it's good. Just the drawdown, like of course you cannot control the drawdown on a grid system, but
Yeah, this one is very risky. I agree.
yeah,
Yeah. Okay, let's
uh,
see what it got.
yeah,
Yeah, this is very big. This is very big. Yeah.
yeah. But
But
after that,
we already tripled our account.
after that it's good. But yeah, only that drawdown if it could. somehow. Uh, yeah, if it could be fixed somehow.
This is not suitable for trading on the live account. Let's say it like that.
Yeah, yeah, of course.
It can be, but it's very risky, and we
Yeah.
never know if this will touch. Uh, okay, it tripled the account
Hmm.
for 1 year, but it was very risky. I
True.
leave it like that because I want to explore two other things.
Hmm.
Uh, the first, what we see now, it triple the account,
Yeah.
but also it was just to it reached $680 from 3,000. So
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, but what I want to show you, I use this example particularly because what you see, this here the market is going well, the strategy is trading well, and here also is trading well. Yeah, only the problem is that this here most probably the market went in one direction, up or down, but we see that it is important. We cannot control it, of course,
Yeah.
but if we have work and start from the good moment and we have good market conditions, we can make profit.
Yeah.
And the
Of course.
opposite will broke, yeah. But
Hmm.
okay, what is a good entry point? And this was a little bit surprising to me. So
Hmm.
I'll make the following demonstration.
Yeah.
We may think that the worst moment to start trading is here because
Yeah.
start immediately with the loss.
Hmm.
Let's see. What is this? The date is 13th of
Um,
7th.
yeah.
Okay, and here for the start, 7:13. Let's start from here.
Yeah.
Mm, let's see if the account will blow.
No, I think it will just do a big drawdown, then again it will go to the same direction. That's what I'm thinking. But
What I found, let's see what will happen with the backtest. But
Mhm.
what I found is that uh, if you think that starting before the drawdown is the worst possible moment for the grid system, actually is the big opportunity.
Yeah, that's true.
This is the opposite. Why? Because if the markets go in one direction,
Yeah.
we start from 0.01 watt and we don't have accumulated such a big amount. But
Yeah.
the strategy actually makes a benefit of this big market move because it adds in one direction, increase the lot size in the wrong direction, and then when the markets recover, we collect this profit. And
Yeah.
we see we started from what we think thought was the worst moment, and we double the account.
Yeah.
Uh, but what will happen if we start from the moment that we have the lowest the highest drawdown,
Yeah.
the lowest equity? What date is this? This is the September 27th, something like that.
Hmm. Hmm.
Let's start the backtest from September 27th to see what will happen. So we may think that the moment of the lowest equity is the best moment to start trading.
Yeah.
So now with the worst possible moment, we double the account.
Yeah.
And let's see what we start in the moment of the biggest drawdown.
Hmm.
Let's see what will happen. If it will be better or not.
Yeah.
It's very interesting to see. And this is why I called this robot Grid Explorer,
Yeah.
because so many opportunities and
True.
so many things to test and to explore. So the purpose of this robot is not to double my account. The purpose is to explore the grid systems,
Yeah.
to see how it works, how the different options affect the trading.
Yeah.
What we started in the best possible moment, just to make $177. This was
I,
the purpose. I call this robot Grid Explorer.
yeah. Okay. Yeah. Just it's the only issue is a drawdown. After that, the robot is great. I believe. But yeah, it's a grid system, of course. So yeah.
Yeah. So let's continue. This was the official, the standard. Let's go some charts. The standard trading of hedging system, but uh, I want to see something other. So now we open positions and the grid level, and when it reaches the next level, we will close the position with market order.
Okay.
But I thought what will happen if it goes not on market with market order, but if we preset stop loss, excuse me, take profit. We
Yeah.
know where is the level, and we can preset take profit to our orders.
Hmm.
And
I think that what you're saying, like if you put like market orders or limit orders or whatever,
yeah,
uh, if it doesn't go after, if it actually goes some pips, like in the different direction, in the opposite direction, you can just turn the market order to a different direction, to the other direction that's gone.
yeah, we can adjust the market orders, right?
Yeah.
But this is for entry. I want to here I speak about the market orders for
Ah.
closing.
Okay, okay, okay. I
Yeah,
see.
and this the closing orders I want to eliminate because the closing orders are sent from our machine to the broker, and
Yep.
if there is some drop in the internet connection or whatever, these
Yep.
orders may be delayed, or
Yeah.
we can have a record from the broker. So I think take profit is a uh, good thing to test.
Yep. Yep.
The problem of the take profit, okay, let's have it. We have use take profits via market close.
Hmm.
And this is the default one.
Yep.
I already tested it. I have this, and let's run the test. I already have this test done,
Hmm.
and exported reports. So let's do this running.
Hmm.
I open my test. Here is market order close, and here is the take profit close.
Okay.
I'll bring this here and to compare. The left one is take profit, and the right one is market order. So the original system causes with market order,
Hmm.
and let's see if there is a difference.
Yeah.
Here with the take profit, the total net is 3,200, something like that, and
Hmm.
here is 3,000. So it is almost the same.
Yeah.
Here with the market order, we have 62 trades. Here we have 61. Actually, it is the pretty equal.
Yeah.
It is the same. So that's why when I check this, and I found it is the same, the take profit is using take profit is more reliable, let's say, because the
Yeah.
take profit order is caused by the broker, and you have less traffic between our MetaTrader platform and
Yeah.
the broker.
Hmm.
Uh, However, uh, we see that the profit is not exactly the same. Here is there is $4 difference between. This is not huge difference, but I will show explain from where this difference is coming.
Hmm.
When you reach um, the grid level, and we use market orders, we simply send the orders. But the grid levels are calculated on the bid price.
Hmm.
Bid price is what we see. The charts and the MetaTrader show the bid prices, and we already the grid level also calculated on the bid prices. But we trade on bid and asks depending on the direction.
Yep.
So when we use market orders, we can very reliably decide decide uh, when we reach grid level and
Hmm.
immediately execute market order. But when you take profit, we have to set this order at the moment of opening, and
Yeah.
we don't know how much will be the spread, because the difference between bid ask is the spread. We don't know how much will be the spread at the moment of closing. And
Yeah.
what I'm doing here in that robot, I preset the spread what were at the moment of opening.
Hmm.
But this is not exactly the same spread at the moment of closing. It may happen that the price reached the upper level, for example, and swings immediately, and the take profit is some points above, and the take profit is not reached. So
Yeah.
that's why
Yeah.
you can have a little difference. And but this is neglectable. The difference is very low.
Hmm.
And for real trading, I think the using take profit is better.
Yeah.
For exporting purposes, probably the market order is better because it's pinpoint precise.
Yeah.
Right? But I think for real trading, using uh, the take profit is better. So I have this take profit options enabled by default in the row. Use take profit. So
Hmm.
it's true. Other thing,
Um,
yeah.
no, I want to say like, okay, I think though, like the market order, even if it's not reached, if it's not triggered, it's never gonna be triggered. So it's the position will never open. So,
This is the closing. This is market order for closing.
okay, okay, like I said it again. Okay, like, okay, that's
I also export some this entry with limit orders and stop orders, but I decided you have to put these orders preliminary one grid level before, and then we have to cancel these orders, and also we don't know how much will be the spread, and that's why I decided to not implement this in the robot. So
okay.
we always enter with market order, and by default we close and take profit.
Yeah.
But if you want, we can close it with market orders also.
Mm-hmm.
Another thing I export with this robot, and when I wanted to explore some possibility, um, I make it. I put options to be easier to switch on and off, and also you when you test this in your broker with your
Yeah.
data, we can also see what is going on.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, okay, let's see another thing. I will run this robot again. I will reduce the speed. Reduce. Okay. Mm, uh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's see what is going on here.
Mm-hmm.
Now, this was the level. We have. This is not our first position. Is this the first? Okay. Let's think is the first one. We have
Yeah.
long and short. When the market goes down, the short is on the profit. So we close the short position,
Yeah.
and the we open also another long and short. And when the markets go up, we close this long position here on profit, and also we open another long and another short.
Mm-hmm.
But what are my concerns here? We already open here long position at that level,
Yeah.
right in the beginning.
Yeah.
We open here another one, and when we recover, we open another one, but we already had one position at that level. So it happens that we have two long positions in the same level.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, which I'm thinking, is it correct?
Mm,
I don't know. Because
uh,
we already have a long position at that level.
the only thing is, since it's opening like a buy and sell, I don't know really. you
Yeah,
know.
so I decided to test what will happen if I skip this entry because it becomes double entries.
Yeah, that could be good.
Yeah.
Uh,
So I entered an option in the robot, skip a new order at the same level.
oh, okay, that's great.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
And if I have it enabled,
Mhm.
th- I yeah, this is open only one position per level, so it will never have duplicated positions.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's
Yeah.
good.
this is not original strategy, right?
Yeah.
This is why I call the robot a great explorer because
Yeah. Yeah. It has differences, of course. Yeah.
okay. And now let's I have, and this is the default option. Skip a new order at the same level. Let's run it. Oops. Let's go back. Yeah. Do you see?
Yep.
We have here long and short. Here we have long and short, and here we have only short. We don't open another one here because
Okay.
it will duplicate this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Okay.
this short is open here. The short is closed here on profit. We have another short, and we open short because this already it doesn't exist anymore. It is closed.
Yep.
But we don't open another
Okay.
one because we have one here.
No, that's interesting.
Yeah, it's interesting. I already export this. Let's this test continue. But I already have exported strategies which skip equal to false. So the skip false is this one. We skip. No, the skip false. I forgot. Okay, we have to do the skip false means it opens both long and short. But what we will do? Let's see something. I think our test conditions are not very correct because it is not testing for 1 year. And let's make it 1 year, and we'll make two tests with that option and without. So it's 16. I will use Martingale. It doesn't matter. Let's be. Oh, let's see. I will reduce the Martingale. I will limit the to 0.05, and here the coefficient I will make it 1.2.
Yeah.
Skip new orders. I'll make it false because this is the original strategy, and I'll remove the visual mode to have the faster backtest. And I will export this the backtest report, and then we'll have the other one with skipping the repeating orders to see what is going on. So this is the default strategy.
Yep.
I'll delete this. I'll delete all reports from this folder to have these new reports to be easier to compare.
Yep.
Because I want the market conditions to be the same, the Martingale levels to be the same. The only difference to be it's only the take profit. Is this use the take profit? Yeah.
Yep.
The metadata backtest is slow, and I want to make platform to test this grid system to be instant backtesting, real time. So when you change the option, to see the backtest immediately.
Yeah. Yeah. That would be amazing.
Yeah, I will not lose 2 minutes per backtest. Because what we are doing now, we are only waiting.
Yeah. Like they think it's more realistic like that, but okay.
The backtest, the metadata, we can say that is more reliable.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it doesn't consider the commission.
Yeah.
My backtest will not have so reliable according to the ticks, but also it will have with commissions. But anyway, it will have some deviations, but I think not the difference will not be crucial.
Yeah.
And I will export this backtest. Report export, and I'll call it. It is default. No, it is skip off. So this is the original system. I also will disable the show stats in the tester. Now I'll go to the new way of trading when you skip repeating orders. skip through. Only this is the difference.
Yep.
Let's make another back. You see now the back test is much faster because I
Yep.
disabled the statistics in the tester.
Yeah.
Yeah, and disable the visual mode. So this is the first back test.
Okay. I think this one is doing better than the other one.
Let's see.
Yeah, it has less drawdown. So
For sure, it has less drawdown because it has less trades.
yeah. Yep.
Let's export it. And this is script repeating orders. Make it like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you see the screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
So this is the new one, the skipping repeating orders. This is the original system. Let's first compare the profit.
Yeah, I think
Here the profit is 4,600. Here the profit is only 1,400.
but it has less loss.
The
So
drawdown is only 9.6 and here is 52.
yeah, no, that's a huge difference actually.
Yeah. So that's why this options makes less profit,
Yeah.
but it's much more reliable, I think, because the drawdown is much less, and that's why I give this make these options by default. So this is not the original grid system that always
Yep.
buy and sells, but this with this skipping the repeating order, it doesn't repeat existing orders,
Yeah.
and, which makes it much more reliable.
Yeah, no, that's a difference to the other system. So yeah,
Yeah.
that's a
The
good one.
shape of the balance curve is the same, but actually the difference is only in the volume. Let's see the count of deals. Here we have 362 deals. We have 189, almost
Yeah.
double less.
Yes.
But the equity drawdown is triple less. So we have a benefit here.
Yeah.
Let's
No, it's good. It's good.
and let's see. The graph is okay. The back test only 9.6 drawdown. The balance load is below 10%, and this is the benefit of exporting. So
Yeah.
that's why I created this.
No, it's with this option, yeah, it makes it a lot different, and it's a great option actually
Yeah.
to have. Yeah, because most of the systems like will do the same thing, like buy and sell at the same time, and then like they add at the same level. So sometimes, so yeah.
Okay, so that's why I make these options on by default.
Yeah.
What we have more, the show grid levels. What is doing is it only shows the text. If you we can leave it on by default.
Yeah.
Show position stats is let's enable this one, and I'll run the back test again. Visual mode. Yeah, this one, the position stats is here, the grid errors are here, so it is okay to leave these options on because it's very easy to see how many positions we have open. Here in the works, it's difficult, especially if you trade several strategies per account.
Yeah.
We see the grid levels. I decided to not plot the levels because they're easily seen in the chart.
Yeah.
Okay, what we have more? We have these protection levels, maximum spread protection. I haven't explored what will happen if you limit the entries. This is something we have to do.
Okay.
If the spread is high, is it good to prevent entries or not? Probably is. but
Mhm.
I'm not sure because I haven't tested it yet.
Okay.
This is not,
Um,
yeah,
no, I'm just thinking. I'm just thinking. You can go ahead. Like,
yeah. The
yeah.
next is max open positions per day. Uh, yeah, this is
No, that's good. That's good. I think that has to be on. Yeah, that has to be has a value in it. So
and max open lots. Let's test. Let's limit max open positions to 5.
yeah, yeah.
We have these options make sense only when you have martingale enabled. No, no, even without martingale,
Hmm.
because this is the grid system. It always adds. Uh,
Yeah.
I uh, thought a little bit with this option, and see you have. I have 6. How much I put?
6.
Put max open positions per direction 5, but I saw 6.
Maybe. Okay.
Uh, okay, yeah. That's why this is the early beta release.
That's fine. That's fine.
Uh,
Okay.
so actually it will have one more. But anyway, it doesn't add. Probably it adds 5. Anyway, it must be, if you set max open positions 5, it must be 5 here, not 6.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll fix that. But
Yeah.
anyway, it works. The option works. Let's see the result. The other option, maximum open watts for direction, it's
Yeah.
mm,
Like 0.05 maybe, or no.
when it's a 0. This makes sense when we use a martingale. Let's limit to 0. No, it must be higher because we open 5, or in that case 6 positions. We can add 6 times. Let's make it 1 point. I don't know how much was the maximum one. Let's
Uh,
let's see, let's run it again
no, I think
without the.
0.05 that should be, or no, it's double. Like,
No,
yeah,
this is
it's marking.
the number of votes. Let's see
Yeah.
how much was the entry, the size,
I
the
didn't.
total open votes, not one position.
Yeah, yeah. 0.08 I see here.
So 8.
Yeah, I think that was it. That was it.
Probably the
Previous.
8 is the maximum one without martingale level.
Yeah.
Okay. So what we will do? I will increase the martingale coefficient. I'll make it more or less
Yeah.
2.0, and here we will limit the loss to 0.1.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see it. Uh, it again, it doesn't work.
Hmm?
I saw 0.13.
13.
No, because this limits the entry. This
Yeah,
is
but
0.1, the highest entry, but we already have opened.
yeah, it's because of the martingale, I think, as
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
So
Anyway, it limits. It
yeah.
limits we don't have more. But anyway, I will revisit this because what is the exact option? Max open was yeah, this is the maximum open. Here we have two senses, two means of this option. Is this the maximum entry we can do,
Hmm.
or if this is the maximum amount we have open on the market? Probably this should be the maximum open lots that is allowed, not the
Yeah.
maximum entry. So I will definitely check what is going on, and I will limit this to be 5 to be maximum number of positions,
Okay.
and this to be the maximum exposure, let's say,
Hmm.
not the maximum entry.
Hmm.
Yeah, not max entry. We have max entry here. This is
Yeah.
the maximum entry. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what we'll do for the one, if you just below the entry limit
Hmm.
here, the new position will not be with the original size, but will be with lower size in order to not uh, uh, go over this limit. So the last entry will be scaled down up to this level.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this case to be done.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that has to be the allowed one. So
Yeah, the exposure must not exceed these levels.
yeah.
Okay, so I'll do that next week, and I'll update the next version of the robot.
Okay.
Um,
What
I
I see
think
with the open, sorry for cutting you. Okay, we see with the max open positions, I think it's good. It has to be on, but yeah, when it goes to one direction, I don't know. Like, maybe there's also a big drawdown. I'm not very sure.
what is the problems of these options? Let's I open the market chart,
Yeah,
only the market chart.
yeah,
Let's close this. Let's have for our chart, and I'll remove these deals here. Restore, Control A, delete. It looks like I have tested, I have some open positions, but it doesn't matter. Now,
Yep.
what is the problem of limitations to limit the maximum entry size and the maximum number of positions? If you happen to start trading here,
hmm
and if the positions and the market goes in one direction, we will start entering long positions, and this long position will be on losing.
yeah,
And when the market recovers, but if we reach our limit somewhere here on the market, here,
hmm
and then we will not add new long positions, and we will not have the benefit of this recovering of the market.
yeah,
If you don't have this limitation, we will add to here, and
yeah,
from here we'll start making profit.
yes,
But
yeah,
with the limitation, we have several here, one position, and then we will not add more, and also we will not have benefit of this swing, and
yes,
also we will not have benefit of this swing.
true.
Yeah, so I don't know. We'll have to test this.
Yeah.
Another thing, what I want to tell you is, as I know, what I know is that there are brokers that have swap-free accounts.
Yeah,
Swap-free account is that we don't charge swaps
yep,
to transfer the position overnight.
yes,
This is good because if you open a position here, for example, and this
hmm
position market recover here and we make profit, if the swap is against us,
yeah,
we will accumulate big loss.
yeah, I know.
But if it's a swap-free account, yeah, we will not have this.
Yeah,
I think Brago markets have swap-free accounts.
yeah, I think yes.
I'm
Yeah.
not sure which other brokers have this.
I think they do. I think they do. There should be the Prime account, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
Okay, so we'll explore these options.
Yeah.
So more or less, this is we covered the current state of the Grid Explorer. We
Mhm.
found some problems,
Yeah.
which I fixed. The robot is freely available in the forum.
Yeah.
Where is this? In Forex SB forum.
hmm
Grid Explorer Hedging. I just upload this here.
Okay.
Here I always attach the latest version of the robot.
hmm
Yeah, that's all. If you have
Okay.
any additional questions, we'll make a next episode, probably after 2 weeks,
hmm
to see the current progress. And
Yeah.
if you have any experience with this robot, and if you test it on demo account, please share
Yeah.
your
Sure.
experience, put screenshots. And if you have any ideas of how to improve the robot, and
Yeah.
also ideas for other grid systems, also please share.
Mhm.
We can always post here in this grid grid topics, grid systems, and two of our users already posted two additional strategies, two different grid systems. I also will be glad to explore the different opportunities.
Yeah. Okay. For now, like I don't have any questions, but yeah, I'll test it. I'll test it and let you know if I find any better options or better like like settings and stuff like that. But yeah,
For now, this robot will be free.
Yeah.
For exploring, and later we'll see. Probably I'll not continue developing the single robot because this is not what I'm doing.
Yeah.
If you find this robot and other grid robots good, I will make this grid exploring program to be easier and to be much faster to see what's going on with the different options.
Yeah.
So I
Okay.
think this is all for now.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you for watching this.
No worries. I
I'm
thank you.
sorry.
I thank you very